There are several types of hearing aids available today, and the type that's right for you depends on your specific hearing loss, lifestyle, and personal preferences. Here are some of the most common types of hearing aids. BTE hearing aids are the most common type of hearing aid and sit behind the ear. They consist of a small plastic case that houses the hearing aid components, connected to an ear mold or custom earpiece that fits inside the ear. BTE hearing aids are suitable for a wide range of hearing losses, and their larger size makes them easier to adjust and control. In the ear, ITE hearing aids fit entirely inside the ear, making them less noticeable than BTE hearing aids. They are custom molded to fit the shape of your ear canal, and some models may include additional features like volume controls or directional microphones. ITE hearing aids are generally suitable for mild to moderate hearing losses. Receiver in canal hearing aids are similar to BTE hearing aids but with a smaller size and a more discreet design. They consist of a small plastic case that sits behind the ear, connected to a tiny speaker that sits inside the ear canal. RIC hearing aids are suitable for a wide range of hearing losses and offer excellent sound quality. Completely in canal CIC hearing aids are the smallest and most discreet type of hearing aid available. They fit entirely inside the ear canal, making them almost invisible. However, due to their small size, they may not be suitable for people with severe hearing loss or those who require additional features like volume controls and Bluetooth. Overall, the type of hearing aid that's right for you depends on your individual needs and preferences, as well as the recommendations of your hearing healthcare provider. Experience better hearing with OTOAKOUSTIKI. Contact us for a free consultation and trial of our hearing aids by calling us at 700-70040. Thanks for watching.